What is up, YouTube? Going to a photo shoot. Got my boy Faded S1K. His tag will be up here on screen. Smells so good. Got my girlfriend Coda CC on the R7. Her tag will be up on screen as well. Got Moto Mads over there. Her link will be up on screen as well. Oh yeah. Hey, do you need gas? Here, you're good. You guys need gas?
I'm good.
Oh, I guess we're going to a gas station anyway. Alright. Oh yeah, it feels really great right now, I'm gonna be honest. Usually at this time it's like 30 degrees, swear. Feels good right now. Alright, we're gonna connect cars to my boy. Got launch control on that bitch. No shot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. I'm stopping because she's stopping. Don't want to leave her. Yeah, it was. Shit! He's busting a move! Oh, there's roadkill in the road. Uh-oh. There's roadkill. I almost hit it. Sketchy. Oh my gosh, I almost just fucking crashed. Why are you turning right there? Yeah, dead ass almost just fucking ate shit and died. Like, I just Oh, you're watching this GoPro footage in like 8 seconds.
I gained like a million aura when I put this helmet on. I feel it. It just happened.
I think you have more aura with it off.
Really?
Yeah.
You should see me naked.
I have. She's locked in right now.
Full touch.
Good lordy. That's valid. Dude, it's all or nothing with Coda right now. Holy shit. It's all throttle or no throttle. Let me tell you. I'm saying, dude. I have to keep ripping my throttle just to stay with her. Yeah, let's not be doing that one. This is true. Holy shit, he's flying. Yeah, again. Fucking 2 times in the night, I'd go crazy, let me tell ya. Brother, I can jork my shit right now. Fucking cruise control.